A money order is a secure, prepaid payment method guaranteed by the issuer, ideal for those without bank accounts. They're available at post offices, banks, and some retailers. Here's an example of a postal money order from the United States Postal Service. And here's a MoneyGram money order, which includes security features to prevent fraud. Notice the security features like warning bands and microprint that help prevent fraud. Before you start, you'll need the recipient's name and address, the exact amount you want to send, and your own identification. ID is required for purchases over $1,000 due to anti-money laundering regulations. Start by purchasing the money order from a reputable vendor like USPS or MoneyGram. Be prepared to pay a small fee, typically around 55 cents, for amounts up to $500 at USPS. Once you have the money order, ensure you have a pen with permanent ink to prevent alterations. Carefully fill out all required fields. First, write the recipient's full name on the pay to or payee line. Ensure it's legible and accurate. Next, clearly write the payment amount in both numbers, such as $150, and words like $150 and $100. Make sure both entries match to avoid any issues. In the From or Purchaser section, provide your name and address, then sign the money order. Before sending, record the money order's serial number for tracking purposes. This is crucial if it gets lost or stolen. Finally, place the completed money order in an envelope, seal it securely, and consider sending it via certified mail for tracking or deliver it in person. Advise the recipient to endorse and deposit it promptly. Remember to use permanent ink to prevent fraud and report any lost money orders immediately to the issuer.